Good morning, friends, and welcome back to the vlog. I just completely braided my hair again. It's disgusting, it is sweaty, and there's no point in washing it because we're gonna go get sweaty again today. You found it?
It was right in the car.
Cool. We're planning out our day now. It's like 9:40 in the morning, and we're gonna go to Greenspond before it gets too hot, and we're gonna do what we did yesterday, and then come back and probably get in the pond because it's too hot. I woke up at 3 o'clock this morning and the temperature inside, according to the thingy, was 30 degrees. So I don't know how you and I didn't die last night, man. I slept horribly.
I think because I had two windows and the cross breeze in my fan.
I didn't open the window. But I didn't have...
I didn't feel any breeze to be fair with the fan, but I can sleep in a rock, okay?
See, I can't.
Boom.
I feel nasally and sinusy this morning, so we're gonna take a crap ton of sinus drugs before we leave this place. Yeah. The cabin feels a lot cooler this morning, but it could be because we had the fans on all night and we were desperate. How hot is it outside? You were just out?
It wasn't so, like it's not getting out the door and it's like, oh my god, hit you like a wall.
Yeah.
It's okay. It's fine. I can deal with this today.
For now.
Yeah.
Until it gets hotter.
It's either going to get hotter.
It's going to get hotter.
Exactly.
Because it's only 24 degrees right now, so it's going to creep up.
Yeah.
So we're going to go pack a picnic lunch for us now, then we're going to go to Greenspond. I think you were right, I had windburn, not sunburn last night because I moisturized.
Because when we're up in
Bonavista. I could have stayed in Bonavista all night last night because it was so much cooler. It's amazing what 3 degrees made a difference.
It's be a bit colder in the ocean.
The ocean breeze made a big difference.
Yeah.
But anyway, that's a little update. I'm going to show you around Greenspond. I've never been. We're going to swing into the Dover Bowl.
I'll be playing tour guide today because I've been there at least last year.
Today is shower day too, guys. Today is shower day. I have a shower. I'm gross.
See me in frame?
I see you. Hi, friend.
Hello.
You look like you're like 5,000 feet away. I'm right blown out because of the light, and you're like dark in a dungeon. We watched Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets last night. Fun thing you should all do.
By random number, and I think we should do it for now on.
Yeah.
Until we finish them all on the way.
Do random number selection 1 to 8 on Google. I usually just ask Alexa. She picks, oh, I'm gonna turn the lights off at home now that I've said her name, I remembered. Put in 1 to 8 and we just watch whatever one came up because we've seen them all a bajillion times. It's just funny to mix them up sometimes and just be different. I look like I have no hair. I look like an egg. Anyway, let's get ready to go. Thanks, William. You're nodding your head. Do I look like an egg?
Oh. No, you caught me. Camera's on.
You're fired. I'll put a hat on. It's fine. No one will know I look like an egg. And we'll see you in a little bit. I do. I look... Guys, we're getting ready to go to Greenspond, but like, look at how calm the water is this morning. It sounds like nobody's awake up here in Gamble Pond. Nobody. Wow. Anyway, to the car. Into the thick of it. The pond is still.
Still high.
Guys, we're doing the Greenspond walking trail. But when you come up here in this red building, it's a takeout place or a dine-in restaurant. It's also like a mini superette grocery store. It like has everything you need to make Jig's dinner. So you should come up here and get coffee because we just had coffee on our little walkabout town and we're now gonna do this trail. skin has color in it. I don't think I'm burnt. I just put moisturizer on. I just think we're overheated. We are popping on to Harry Potter. Random number generator picked 3, so we're actually going in order now because we watched 2 last night. So we're doing 3 and 5 now. William's over there in charge of the TV because the batteries in the remote are dead. We're gonna play some board games. Spoiler alert, Polar Express, right?
Yeah. Oh man, that feels so long.
I hated that movie.
Really?
Yeah, don't judge me. We got pizza and garlic fingers in the oven. Them are good. We're excited. It's straight up having Saturday night vibes on Sunday.
Yeah.
Good morning, friends. It's 6:30 and I'm making breakfast. Because you can take the girl out of the routine, but you can't take the routine out of the girl. It's 7:52 a.m. We're meal prepping supper for tonight, so we're not in a rush. We're gonna make tacos tonight, so I just want to have the ground beef and stuff cooked in case we get back from a boat tour and I'm tired, so yay for that. It's beautiful out today. I think the heat's, it's not as like heat wavy, which is nice, so, you know, a good thing. I'm listening to unsolicited advice. We have to leave here at 9 to go to Terra Nova for our boat tour. Hopefully it doesn't get canceled. There's so many weather warnings in effect out here, I can't keep up, so yay. It's a Terra Nova, guys. And I left the vlog camera at the cabin. I should be shot. I think we're going on that boat, which is exciting.
No, like I usually bring the other person with me because it's hard. People I don't mind. It's hard to talk to people when
Yeah.
you're in the cabin. That's when I got a big group. You guys is not so much of a problem.
I'm excited to say we're doing this. I'm excited.
Yeah. Tell me you want to see.
William, don't lose this fish.
See it.
Oh my god. Oh my god, we caught a fish. I'm dead.
Something for supper anyway.
I'm dead. That's so cool. That is so cool.
I'm gonna go a bit deeper. Yeah.
We caught a fish. Only been a Newfoundlander for 29 years, and I've never done it. We got fish. That has been gutted for us, thank God. Yeah, he did it for us.
Is that what he said?
Yeah, he did all of it.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, he said he was going to do it for us.
I didn't hear that. Oh, I'm looking in there for that.
I was like, deadly, even better. I don't want to have to figure out how to do it myself.
That makes it easier.
Because I messaged your mom and I was like, what do we do with the fish? And she was like, is it gutted? And I was like, well, no, we're still on the water. She was like, it needs to be gutted and frozen to take back to town.
Oh,
I have a nasty sunburn from the boat. Definitely. My cheeks are on fire. That was with sunscreen twice. Look at my hair. What is it doing? Guys, we just got caught in torrential rain. Holy crap. We came into the park to go for a walk on the South Brook Trail. And now it's like torrential rain with blue sky. Like we're dripping. Yeah. Hang on, we'll run back to the car in a minute.
just a
Do you guys want to hear a funny story? William, tell the good people of the vlog what the fuck happened to us today.
Well, we lost you guys in this camera, and it apparently was underneath the chair, which I did look, and I guess I didn't look out. So now we agreed to
We just tore the whole car apart. I repacked my suitcase. Eyeballs! So we vlogged on the phone because I thought I took it with us. So here's what happened. Let me walk you through my morning. We come out here, I was all like, I gotta get a vlog camera battery. So I come in here and I get it from that container. Come out here. Literally said to you, I'm putting the spare battery in the bag. Then I was like, great, I'm gonna change my phone case because we're going on a boat tour. And I went and put this case on because it had a wrist strap. Literally sat in this chair over here to do it, which means I had you guys on my shoulder. I laid the old phone case over here somewhere. And I must have dropped you guys down here, and then we got ready to go because I was driving and we had to go to the hardware store. And that's how you guys got forgotten. And then we came back and couldn't find you because I was, like, my two spots have been right here and on the couch in the evening time. At least we know it's safe.
Yeah, at least
We also knew we didn't have it with us because I didn't vlog at the hardware store. So I was like, it has to be in here somewhere. Anyway.
But don't worry, everything's been captured up today.
Today has been like fucking a state. I didn't even tell anyone about the thing. We caught a cod. Now my question is, how do we deal with it? We gotta call your mom.
Yeah.
Well, let's just determine first if he actually did anything to it.
Sorry, I didn't want to hit stuff.
One and done. Oh, he already smells bad. Does that mean we just go out on the deck with him?
Yep. Because then the cabin's gonna smell like fish.
Alright, we're gonna go figure out this whole fish situation. I mean, great boat tour, guys. Happy Adventure Boat Tour is the inland tour through Terra Nova. Do it. It's Taco Monday! And Order of the Phoenix time. And it's finally really cool, and it is deadly.
Yep.
In an effort to stay awake, we are watching Pokemon. We found Pokemon DVDs at the cabin, and we are so Pokemoning.
I wonder what
Look at the moon. Okay guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. We're looking at the stars, which you guys can't see, but we can. But you can see the moon. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and we will see you tomorrow, right William? Yep. Good night, friends.